Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up YouTube channel growth with TubeBuddy, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by visiting the TubeBuddy website and create an account. Sign in with your existing Google account that is linked to your YouTube channel. Once logged in, grant TubeBuddy the necessary permissions to access your YouTube channel. Next, install the TubeBuddy browser extension for your web browser. After installation, you'll see the TubeBuddy icon appear in your YouTube dashboard. Click on the TubeBuddy icon to open its features menu. Begin by using the Keyword Explorer tool to find relevant keywords for your niche. Enter a keyword or phrase related to your content in the search bar. Review the keyword score, which rates its search volume and competition. Select high-scoring keywords that you can incorporate into your video titles and descriptions. Next, utilize the Tag Explorer to discover trending tags for your videos. Incorporate these tags into your video to improve its discoverability. Now, proceed to optimize your video thumbnails using TubeBuddy's thumbnail generator. Create eye-catching graphics that align with your video's content. Next, access the A/B testing feature to experiment with different video titles and thumbnails. This will help you determine which ones perform best among viewers. Regularly check your TubeBuddy analytics to track video performance. Look for trends in viewer engagement and retention to adjust your content strategy. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and fostering community interaction. Use TubeBuddy's keyword research and optimization tools consistently for future videos. Join the TubeBuddy community and participate in forums or webinars for tips and insights. Continuously learn and adapt your strategy based on the analytics provided by TubeBuddy. Stay updated with TubeBuddy's new features and tools to keep enhancing your channel's growth. By following these steps, you'll set a strong foundation for your YouTube channel's success with TubeBuddy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.